Hi, in front of me is VIVO X51 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store. Now type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Then open it and tap on Get Started. Choose OK. Tap on the switcher next to LED keyboard and click OK again. Now tap on Input Options and choose LED keyboard one more time. Over here you can pick the one that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to tap on it and choose Download Theme. Now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!